Alguna palabra muy argentina también es difícil a veces entender eso, ¿no?
Easy Spanish does it really good. They're interviewing people outside, and how is it to understand Spanish and even to speak it? I don't understand it, you don't understand it. Let's learn it together. And make sure to follow Easy Spanish as well to support them. The easiest way to learn Spanish with me. ¿Cómo estás? Yo soy, or yo soy, Luis. Today we want to talk about the verb to be. You will get why you came in a second, but don't miss to check out all the other things I do on the channel. And I hope you have learned all the other things we have learned previously. In Spanish, you have 3 terms for using the verb to be: ser, estar, or haber. About the last one, I don't know that much yet. Let's concentrate on the verb estar and ser. I didn't know when I have to use this or that. You use ser when something is permanent, like I am from somewhere or I am a farmer. Then you use ser. You use estar when something isn't permanent, when it's maybe suddenly, like a feeling. I'm feeling beautiful. I'm feeling good today. Or I'm somewhere right now. Then you use estar. By the way, I'm working on something like not the information is the highlight of the video. I am the highlight of the video too. So right now, when we know what we have to use, when we want to say something, estar or ser, let's conjugate them. We have 3 forms singular and we have 3 forms plural. Things for ser, 6 things for estar. Yo soy.
Yo soy.
Yo soy. I'm good at this one. Tú eres. For me, this is hard. Ella es. I love pronunciation, but it's just a thing of practice. Nosotros, nosotras, somos. Nosotros is for male, nosotras is for female. And male together, I think. Vosotros, vosotras sois. Vosotros is for male and vosotras is for male and female together. And you just say vosotros sois. Ellos son. Ellas son. And these 3 forms are I, you, he, she, it, he or she or it, we, you, and they, this group. These are the 6 forms we have to conjugate. Let's go to estar. Yo estoy. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Tú estás. Él, ella está. Nosotros, nosotras somos. Nosotros, nosotras estamos. Vosotros, vosotras estáis. Ellos, ellas están. Holy shit, my dears, here are wonderful landscapes. It will relax your mind. These were a lot of terms to listen, to learn, and for me even to speak out. Make sure just to learn how it's spoken, not how it's written. When someone's in front of you and you want to speak with people like me, be honest, you're at a certain level and they will help you, even if you are at the kindergarten level like me. Real quick, let's get better in languages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and visit me on Twitch. Give me a follow there or on Instagram. Very nice from you. Thank you. I need your support. And one day I can say that in Spanish.